Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to identify your graphics card RAM generation. I mean DDR3, DDR4, DDR6. So how to check that? It is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 uh, OS and my laptop is Dell Precision 7740 with graphics card of Quadro RTX 5000. So how to check that? Simply right click on your desktop, then you will get this window and click on show more options. Then you can see option of NVIDIA control panel, and I'm telling about the NVIDIA graphics card. Okay, you must install NVIDIA graphics driver for getting this kind of menu on your laptop. So simply click on that, then you will receive this window. In this window you can see here left bottom side option of system information. Click on that. Okay, then you can get another window, this one. Okay, and you can find out almost all of the information of your graphics card details. And here you can see, just sorry, just scroll up, then you can see option of dedicated video memory, and it is about 16,384 MB, and you can see here DDR6. So my graphics card is working on DDR6 memory. So in this way you can easily identify which uh, generation of RAM is using your graphics card. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.